You can't stop the rain, boy, you out your fucking mind. Going against casino stacks, boy, your time expired. You can't stop the rain, boy, you out your fucking mind. Going against casino stacks, nigga, your time expired. You can't stop the rain, boy, you out your fucking mind. Going against casino stacks, nigga, your time expired. You can't stop the rain, boy, you out your fucking mind. Going against casino stacks, nigga, your time expired. As my mom laid me down at night, the guns bark. Say another prayer for a brother lying in chalk. Once I woke, read the news of the bloody murders. Where I'm from, you know the killing is always heard of. Stay in line, stay in reach of a chrome heat. I can catch you slipping, let your blood soak the street. Went to school, but got more teaching out the hood. Don't slip your product, don't be tricking on the hoes you good. Got a gun in my hand while I write this verse. I'm an artist, so I'ma beat you to the draw first. Ice mountain on my neck, your bitch on my lap. I'm too cool for that handshake and give me dap. Fur coat like I got a caddy in the lot. Two bitches on my arm, that's a master lock. I know it look like a player ball, I'm player dog. Upgrade your bitch and take her to the players ball. Bloods in the air, champagne glasses toast. See this SS of mob, we treat it like the oath. Once you getting in, nigga, ain't no getting out. Extended rifles with the stock, I got a sniper shot. Drop your body in the box, it's not a magic trick. Once I snap my fingers, niggas get the gun and shit. Financially fucked up, rappers can't fuck with me. Independent jewel dropper, call me Master P. Though I shock a nigga just like Silk did, but won't get sentenced to a murder like C is. Out free, fucking hoes spending cash though. Where I'm from, yo, it's really about your cash flow. Snub nose in my pocket as I walk the block. Ready to take my shot, this thing called hip hop. Huh? Yeah. East Coast, West Coast, Midwest, worldwide. Your boy, Casino Stacks. SSL. Fuck with me.